Top 5 Best Carbon Monoxide Detector. Number 5. Gzair Portable Carbon Monoxide Detector. This ingenious little keychain is a carbon monoxide detector in disguise. It has an electrochemical sensor with a combined microprocessor and pump that produce a CO readings on the display. If levels are dangerously high, the device will sound a 95 decibel alarm, the loudest on this list, light up, and vibrate. It's powered with a 9-volt battery and made for outdoor use, with a IP67 waterproof rating. It's great for camping, but it works for just about anywhere your travels take you. Pros: extra loud 95 decibel alarm. IP67 waterproof rating. Keychain design is easy to carry. Cons: pricey. Bulky. Coming in number 4. X-Sense Combination Smoke. It stands to reason that wireless interconnected carbon monoxide and smoke detector combos, often sold in sets of 3 or more, are gaining popularity. After a short installation process, you'll have a network for coverage across your home. X-Sense detectors are relatively new to the market and generally highly rated across the board. This 5-pack gets 4.8 stars from more than 500 customers. It features an electrochemical carbon monoxide detector and a photoelectric sensor for smoky fires, though it does lack an ionization sensor for fast-burning fires. Still, the bright blue backlit LED display shows real-time carbon monoxide levels, battery life, and operational status, plus the unit self-tests its battery and sensors every 60 seconds. There's also a test and silence button and a standard 85 decibel alarm. Pros: bright backlit blue LED display with multiple indicators. Self-tests batteries and sensors every 60 seconds. Cons: no dual sensor for fire detection. Coming in number 3. First Alert Onelink Safe and Sound. Not only is this carbon monoxide detector also a smoke detector, but it also comes with smart features, including built-in Alexa, a Bluetooth speaker, and the ability to send push notifications right to your phone. In other words, you can use this as another Alexa device or speaker to play music. Pros: built-in Bluetooth speaker. Alexa enabled. Comes with nightlight. Cons: app can crash. Not the easiest to install. Coming in number 2. Forensics Car, Vehicle, Aircraft. Weighing only 2 ounces, this super lightweight, portable carbon monoxide detector is perfect for taking with you on the go. You can check for exhaust leaks in your car, airplane, or you can simply use it on trips or for quick reads around your home. It is sensitive to carbon monoxide levels as low as 9 parts per million, which is much lower than most household detectors. Pros: portable and super lightweight. Highly accurate. Fast read and alarms. Really easy to use. Cons: pricey. Batteries don't last that long. Coming in number 1. Google Nest Protect Smoke. We chose this hybrid smoke and carbon monoxide detector as our top pick because it gives you the ability to test the alarm from your phone and it will send a full report to you when the test is complete. It will also remind you to test the alarm in case checking it slips your mind, and if you get the battery one, it will let you know when its battery is running low. The device connects to the entire Google Nest family where you can control all your smart devices in one app. Best of all, it will notify you and 911 in the case of an emergency, even if you aren't home. As people get back into the routine of going back to work away from home, that's a nice feature to have, says Reuthouse. Prevents you from going home and being exposed, and it allows you to take action if pets, children, or elderly folks are in the home. Pros: carbon monoxide or smoke detector hybrid. Compatible with Google Nest family. Phone connectivity. Available wired or battery. Easy setup. Cons: pricey. Smart features disabled in power outage.